There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and you already know we're here to slay. So, what's up, everybody? I hope by the time y'all are all watching this, that y'all all having like a really great day. It's your girl A. Girl, listen, it's a good day. I'm trying to make today a really, really good one. You know how you just have this one moment in the day that is just negative? It could be negative. It cannot be positive. It don't have to be not too toxic, but it could just be enough to just tick you the heck off. Okay, let me tell you, I had like that type of day today. And it was nobody's fault. It wasn't like another human being. It was actually me trying to switch things up. You know, I'm one of those type of people who be like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it's been working, then leave it the heck alone. Well, I figured I would just give me like a new microphone, you know, like a cordless microphone, a wireless microphone. So that way, when I'm recording my videos, I can just get up and down without having to unclip things, and also not to forget that I have it clipped. I just wanted something new. And you know, when you read like a lot of these reviews or descriptions of the product, they make it seem like it's so easy, like you could just plug that damn thing in and it's going to give you the best sound quality ever. Girl, when I tell you I had to sit here over and over and over again, look at my damn sound recording meter, go into the settings like I am not a techie. I am a trial and error person, okay? Trial and error. That thing was starting to piss me off. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day. You know what I'm saying? Today's video is like a new company to me. I've never heard of them. You know what I'm saying? I've never worked with them. Doesn't mean that they haven't been around. And I hope I'm pronouncing their name right. It's either Karlami or Karlami. If I did jack up the name, I do apologize in advance. I'm going to let y'all know. So they did send me their wig. I think this is like 24 inches or 26. Definitely link it below. She is a kinky straight unit. Let me tell y'all, you ever get so used to one particular thing that you just know that it's just going to be like that always? What I mean by that is I got so used to pre-everything that I figured this was going to be a pre-everything. I forgot that I did not have any bleach, that I had ran out like a month ago, because sometimes the pre-everything can still mean that you might need to everything it still. You know what I'm saying? Like you might need to add a little bit more bleach to it. Well, I just assumed, you know what I'm saying? I assumed that this was a pre-everything, because the actual hairline, because the actual lace is already cut. So normally when the lace is cut, you know, the rest is done. It's not giving me pre-everything, but it's not giving me, oh God, look at these damn knots. It's not giving me that, you know what I'm saying? But it is giving me, put some foundation stick on me or something else. So I got these, I call them Band-Aids. It's like flesh tape that wig companies send you, and I've had these for months. Anyway, so I went ahead and I styled the wig beforehand. She got like these little kind of like spiral curls, and she has one of those 4C edges on her hairline. Now here's the thing, I use the hot comb to hot comb some of them out, because me, honestly, I don't really like a lot of those 4C edges. To me, it just starts to look like pubic hair, and I really don't want that look for my hairline. So I just kind of like hot comb them, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys how your unit comes. We're going to just jump right into this, and then we're just going to take it from there.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. but I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
So I'm done with this unit. She actually came out really, really nice. I had to just finagle around the actual baby hairs, the 4C edges. I don't like a lot of them, like I said, because they just remind me, they start looking like pubic hairs, and I really don't want that look on my hairline. The one thing that I will say, if it's a pre-everything wig, I would hope that it would be bleached. I don't know if this unit was bleached or not. From my knowledge and from just me looking at it, it really didn't feel like it was bleached at all. The cap does fit really, really nice. Even though there's no adjustable strap in the neck or a black elastic band, this fits really, really good. This actual drawstring has some really great pull to it. So that's the one thing that I'm liking about this unit, that it has a really good grip for the actual drawstring. So girl, you can tie it as tight as you want. If you want yourself a wig headache, baby, you can give yourself a wig headache. For real, for real. Very full. It's nice and lengthy. I like the fact that the curls definitely held. This is Kinky straight hair. I'll link everything down below for this unit. Girl, I don't even know why I'm yelling. Like, why the fuck am I yelling? I don't even know. But the hair came out cute. So yes, you guys, let me know what you think. I'm going to give you a full 360. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to put a thumbs up. Make sure you rate the video. Leave your comments down below, as well as that Stay Diva and Divalicious. Make sure you know what I'm saying, rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will definitely see y'all in the next videos. And on that note, I love you all, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.